Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, gagawa po tayo ng pesto. So, ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng fresh na pesto for spaghetti. So, let's do it! All we need, guys, is fresh basil. I wash it. So, pinatutuyo ko lang ng konti so we can make pesto. And then we need some olive oil. And some garlic. I need 4 cloves of garlic, some salt, and we're gonna put them in this one. Lagay po natin dito. Lagay po natin lahat. Samahin po natin. Gagawa tayo ng pesto para sa spaghetti. Masarap po ito, guys. So ito, guys, sama-samahin natin. Lagyan natin ng konting salt and olive oil. Kailangan po natin ng hand mixer para po pang mix natin. So, ito na po yung pesto. Ganito po kadaling maggawa ng pesto, guys. So, ito na po yung ating pesto. So, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe as well. So, thank you, guys, for watching. See you again on my next vlog.